Welcome to my channel. Earth faces ultimate survival test if sun vanishes suddenly. Most people never notice anything wrong in first 8 minutes. Sunlight takes full 8 minutes to reach Earth. This short window is universe's last buffer for humans. It's also gentlest deception. 8 minutes later, eternal darkness falls abruptly. It's not solar eclipse, not power outage. Whole world plunges into lightless abyss. Global average temperature plummets to -18 degrees Celsius within 1 week. It drops to -40 degrees, 1 month later. It falls below -100 degrees, after 1 year. Every breath turns to ice chips instantly. Oceans freeze from surface upward. They gradually form giant ice sheets covering entire planet. All surface plants die off completely. Gravity collapse proves deadlier than cold. Without sun's gravitational pull, Earth flings into deep space at 30 kilometers per second. It becomes rogue planet with no return path. It drifts forever in endless darkness. Scientists' calculations show humans do not go extinct instantly. Earth hides secret survival mechanism inside. It rewrites everyone's understanding of survival limits. This mechanism sits 6,000 kilometers deep beneath our feet. Earth core reaches 6,000 degrees Celsius. It's hotter than sun's surface. This buried fireball releases heat, non-stop. Estimates say core heat lasts for billions of years. Underground flame never dies, even if sun vanishes. It's Earth's real backup energy source. Most of this heat gets blocked by thick crust. It never reaches surface. Its true value hides in deep ocean. In 1977, U.S. deep-sea submersible Alvin made shocking discovery at Galapagos Rift in East Pacific. Tall chimneys belch black smoke. Their hot fluid they spout reaches up to 400 degrees Celsius. Even more incredible, vibrant life fills this dark, high-pressure, toxic environment. Giant tube worms, white crabs, and various deep-sea creatures thrive around vents. They never see sunlight yet build complete ecosystems. These are hydrothermal vents. They form ecosystems fully independent from sun. Thermophilic sulfur bacteria support entire system. They convert sulfide from vents into energy. Other creatures feed on these bacteria. They form complete dark food chain. This ecosystem runs on geothermal energy. It has no connection to sunlight. If sun vanishes, surface turns to frozen ground. Warm liquid water remains in deep ocean layers. Hydrothermal vents keep erupting. Bacteria keep multiplying. Dark ecosystem operates as normal. In this sense, life never goes fully extinct. Humans most likely do not make it through. Humans are far too fragile. We need air, fresh water, food, and suitable temperature. All these conditions collapse one by one after sun disappears. 70% of Earth oxygen comes from photosynthesis of ocean algae. All algae die without sunlight. Oxygen supply gets cut off. Existing oxygen in atmosphere lasts humans for thousands of years. This is not the most urgent crisis. Food shortage hits much faster. All surface plants wither within 1 week. Herbivores starve to death within 1 month. Carnivores last no more than 2 or 3 months. Whole food chain collapses from bottom up. It falls like dominoes, one after another. Human food reserves may last 1 year. Nothing remains after that point. Temperature remains deadliest threat. Night side of Earth drops below freezing 3 days after sun vanishes. Global average hits -18 degrees 1 week later. It matches current Antarctic winter. -40 degrees comes after 1 month. Exposed skin suffers severe frostbite in 10 minutes. -100 degrees arrives after 1 year. Boiling water turns to ice crystals before hitting ground. Temperature drops to -200 degrees after 2 years. Oxygen and nitrogen in atmosphere start liquefying. They fall to ground like rain. Humans breathe liquid gas instead of air by then. Suffocation and frostbite kill instantly. Humans do not wait for death. Scientific community has mapped out countermeasures. Only path for humans after sun vanishes is moving underground. Temperature rises about 3 degrees for every 100 meters deeper in crust. At 3 kilometers depth, temperature reaches 90 degrees Celsius. Humans can build underground cities powered by geothermal energy. We use it for heating, power generation and crop growing. Underground cities in Wandering Earth are not pure fantasy. Reality is far harsher than movies. Deepest mine worldwide only reaches 4 kilometers right now. It holds extremely limited population. If sun vanishes suddenly, only tens of thousands may enter underground cities. Billions of others wait for end on surface. Underground cities are not permanent solution either. Geothermal energy is vast, but temperature drops with continuous extraction. medium-sized underground city lasts at most hundreds of years. After centuries, humans must find new energy sources, or new homes. 100 years after sun vanishes, surface temperature stabilizes around -200 degrees. Atmosphere shrinks drastically. Ozone layer disappears completely. Cosmic rays hit surface directly. All traces of human civilization get buried under ice and snow. No evidence remains of intelligent life on this planet. Deep ocean stays warm though. Hydrothermal vents keep spouting hundreds of degree water. Bacteria keep breaking down sulfide. Deep-sea creatures multiply generation after generation in darkness. They never know sunlight once shone above. They never know Earth was once a blue planet. They never know humans once ruled this world. All of this is only scientific hypothesis. Sun does not vanish suddenly in reality. It has about 5 billion years of lifespan left. That gives humans enough time to develop interstellar travel technology. Real threat is not sudden sun disappearance. Sun grows brighter 1 billion years from now. Earth gets baked dry gradually. Humans must leave Earth to find new homes to survive by then. Answer to this question is quite clear. Surface life lasts at most a few years after sun vanishes. Deep-sea life survives for billions more years. Earth never needs sun to sustain life. Only humans need sun to live. We always think we are masters of Earth. We actually only exist as dependents of sun. Humans have nothing without sun. Deep-sea microbes are true survival champions. They need no sunlight, no oxygen. They survive billions of years with just a little heat. That's the toughest form of life. Knowing all this matters a lot. It tells us Earth is not the only blueprint for life. Jupiter's moon Europa, Saturn's moon, Enceladus, both hold liquid oceans under ice sheets. Hydrothermal vents may exist there too. Life may have evolved there as well. We are not alone in universe. Sun is just one possibility for life. It's far from the only answer. Mars acts as mirror for human future. This blood-red planet once looked almost identical to Earth. It had blue oceans, warm climate. It most likely hosted early life. As core cooled and magnetic field vanished, Mars gradually fell from paradise to hell. It became completely dead planet. Even more alarming, Mars' death process shows similar signs on Earth right now. In 2021, Charon rover left first Chinese track on Mars' surface. Photos sent back shocked everyone. Dried riverbeds, weathered canyons, fractured crust. They silently tell story of planets suffocating in space. This process may be prophecy of Earth's future. Mars' death did not happen overnight. 4 billion years ago, Mars had far more habitable environment. Sky was not weird orange-red like today. It was clear blue, similar to Earth. Thick atmosphere wrapped entire planet. Atmospheric pressure reached half of Earth's level. It allowed liquid water to flow freely on surface. More importantly, Mars had full global magnetic field back then. It acted like giant shield, blocking deadly solar storms. Surface temperature was mild. Equatorial regions matched Earth's temperate zones. Disaster struck without warning about 3.9 billion years ago. Mars' core started cooling rapidly. Molten liquid iron gradually solidified. Without convection of liquid iron, magnetic field collapsed quickly within millions of years. Mars lost magnetic protection, like warriors stripped of armor. It laid bare to constant bombardment of solar wind. Large numbers of atmospheric molecules get stripped away every second. They drift into dark space. Even today, Mars loses about 100 grams of atmosphere per second. This number seems small. It becomes catastrophic over billions of years. When atmospheric pressure drops below critical point, all lakes evaporate or freeze within decades. Rivers dry up completely within a century. Moment last drop of liquid water disappears from surface. Fate of Mars life is sealed forever. More alarming, similar changes do not only happen on Mars. Global magnetic field monitoring shows Earth magnetic field strength dropped about 10% over past 180 years. Current decline stays within historical normal fluctuation range. It does not mean magnetic field will disappear quickly, but this planet birthed us is not permanent safe haven. Universe never stops evolving for any form of life. All we can do is read warnings from these planets in limited time. We must secure a future for humankind.